Welcome to our comprehensive review of asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets in our solar system. In this video, we'll explore their nature, orbits, and impacts on Earth and other celestial bodies. Let's start by looking at where these objects are located in our solar system. Most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, while comets usually come from two regions, the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune and the distant Oort cloud. Dwarf planets can be found in the asteroid belt, like Ceres, or in the Kuiper belt, like Pluto. Let's first focus on asteroids. Asteroids are rocky, airless remnants left over from the early formation of our solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. They're essentially the building blocks that didn't get incorporated into planets. Asteroids vary greatly in size. The largest, Ceres, is about 940 kilometers in diameter, while the smallest are just pebble-sized. Most asteroids are irregularly shaped, though some of the largest have become spherical due to their own gravity. Regarding their orbits, most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, influenced by Jupiter's strong gravitational field. However, some asteroids called near-Earth asteroids, or NEAs, have orbits that bring them close to Earth, making them potential impact hazards. Asteroid impacts have significantly shaped planetary evolution. The most famous impact on Earth occurred about 66 million years ago when a large asteroid struck what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, creating the Chicxulub crater. This impact contributed to the mass extinction of dinosaurs and about 75% of all species. Next, let's move on to comets. Comets are icy bodies composed of frozen gases, rock, and dust that orbit the sun. They're often described as dirty snowballs with a nucleus, a coma, and sometimes spectacular tails that can stretch for millions of kilometers. Comets originate from two main regions. Short-period comets, like Halley's Comet, come from the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune and orbit the sun in less than 200 years. Long-period comets come from the much more distant Oort cloud, which extends nearly a quarter of the way to the nearest star and can take thousands or even millions of years to complete one orbit. Comets have played a crucial role in Earth's history. They may have delivered water and organic compounds to the early Earth, potentially contributing to the origin of life. However, like asteroids, comets can also pose impact threats, though these are much rarer due to the smaller number of comets compared to asteroids. Finally, let's examine dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are celestial bodies that orbit the sun, are massive enough to be rounded by their own gravity, but haven't cleared their orbital path of other debris. The most famous example is Pluto, which was reclassified from a planet to a dwarf planet in 2006. Currently, the International Astronomical Union recognizes 5 dwarf planets: Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Haumea, and Makemake. Ceres is located in the asteroid belt, while the others are in the Kuiper belt. Eris is actually more massive than Pluto, and its discovery was one of the factors that led to Pluto's reclassification. To summarize, asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets are distinct types of celestial bodies in our solar system. Asteroids are rocky bodies mainly found in the asteroid belt. Comets are icy objects from the outer solar system that develop tails when approaching the sun. And dwarf planets are spherical bodies that haven't cleared their orbits. All these objects are fascinating remnants from the formation of our solar system. They provide valuable insights into the processes that shaped our planetary neighborhood and continue to influence it today. Thanks for watching this comprehensive review of asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets.